first grade families. This is the first grade team helping you this third quarter with some resources that you can use at home. I'm going to begin with math. You will be receiving an activity called What's Missing. In this activity, you will be also getting a 10-frame map and an equation outline. For this activity, I'm going to ask Ms. Smith to come and help me. You can use a collection of objects. I have Unifix cubes. You can also use erasers, Cheerios, whatever you have at home. You put out 3 objects or up to 10 objects. For example, Miss Smith, how many objects do I have?
5.
Please close your eyes. Then you will remove some of the objects. Okay, Miss Smith, how many objects are remaining?
3.
Please write the equation to match. She then writes the equation to match her picture. A suggestion that I have is that you use a dry erase page protector to help you quickly erase the objects and reuse. The goal of this activity is that the students are able to know the parts of the number quickly without using a strategy such as using their fingers. Ms. Smith is now going to talk to us about the Fluency folder.
Hi, first grade families. I'm going to go over the Fluency folder that you received at the beginning of the year at our first quarter academic night. In the folders, you have your list of sight words and passages that you should be reviewing on a nightly basis. Please make sure that you reach out to your child's teacher if you have completed this folder so that they may give you additional resources to keep them learning and practicing each night. Ms. Johnson will now come over and talk to you about our next 3 pages of sight words to practice.
Hello parents, I'm going to talk to you about the Fry sight word list. Our goal for first graders is by the end of the year we want them to learn 300 sight words. On our first academic night we gave you list 1, 2, and 3. On our second academic night we gave you lists 4, 5, and 6, and this time around we're going to be providing you with lists 7, 8, and 9. You will receive these from your child's teacher in a stapled packet. Our goal is that students recognize these words automatically in 1 second so they are more fluent readers, and it will help them with their accuracy as well when they're able to quickly recognize them. You can use these lists and cut them into little pieces for flashcards. You can store them in your Fluency folder. Again, the goal is automatic recognition. If your child has not mastered lists 1 through 6, please continue working on those lists. And another great thing, once you practice learning all these words, of course we want students to be reading these words in context in books. So your child can log on to Mayan and read books on there, and then they'll see lots of those words and hopefully they'll be pointing them out to you. And the more they see them, they'll use them in their reading and then incorporate them into their writing. So we hope you utilize this great resource, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much.